you like the C63 by AMG, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna have a look at the DMC C63. We showed you this car before, but today we have one version, one iteration of the car which looks truly menacing. It's totally black. I think it's a matte black wrap. Leave me a comments down below if you know more details. I don't think AMG is having an original color like this. This should be a wrap, but as I said, please leave me a comment below. With lots of carbon fiber parts by DMC, and the total look is just menacing. All silver linings, all chrome linings have been blacked out, basically murdered out, as some people call it in the internet language. It really looks stunning. The car has been prepared in Belgium by our partner Kova Design. They've done a really outstanding job. Shout out to you guys at this place. Thanks for the strong support. And the car is owned by our customer, follower and friend Roycos. He was really kind enough to take some photos of the car and even took some videos, some shots around. So let's have a look at them right here. Look at this. This is the car. Just stunning, you know. I mean, look at this. The whole car has a presence. I would want to say that the car will look truly monstrous at night, but no, due to the nice color effect, the total presentation of the car, it really totally looks aggressive even at daylight. Look at these pictures that were taken at daylight, and even though with a beautiful natural background here, the car just screams. It's just totally aggressive. So most prominently we see the DMC Carbon Fiber rear spoiler here. This car was first presented in the Geneva car show. I think it was in 2017 when we presented this model. Basically this rear wing we modeled after the famous DMC Ferrari F12 rear wing that we did before, and have since also done some iterations on other cars. But basically that's where our inspiration, our idea came from. There's a rear diffuser here, there's some other parts. Just enjoy the photos, and yeah, I hope you agree with me. Let's talk about it. I really enjoy chatting with you guys. Leave me some comments, no matter which platform you're watching this. I would really like to hear your opinion. What do you think about this? How would you do the car different? Would you choose a totally different color scheme, or a bigger wing, smaller wing? Whatever you have, would like to share. I'm really looking forward to that. And yeah, if you liked the video, you know the drill. Please leave us a thumbs up, or depending on the platform, click like. We would really like that, and that supports us as well. But most important, really, besides the like, are the comments, because we would like to hear from you what you like us to do in future. But also tell us what you didn't like. So if you didn't like the video, why not leave a thumbs down? You know, we are totally open for that, because only then we can improve and give you better car content in future. So also hit that little bell icon so you'll get notifications next time we upload new videos. And let me say one more time, thank you for watching here today. Also give a subscribe to Kova Design and Roycos. They're really giving us an awesome support, and they're having awesome Instagram and Facebook and YouTube account as well. So let me finish the video here. As I said before already, maybe the third time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, DMC life.